Thomas is making laundry.
Here, you want to put it in the dryer? Can you put it in the dryer for me?
Good job.
Good job, Tommy. Good job. All done. Oh, one more sock. Okay, I'll help you with this towel. It's heavy. Nice job, Thomas. Look at you already doing chores. Yay! All done. Ready? Let's come away. Now he's too interested. Okay, ready? Let's start the machine together. Can we close it? Boop. Ugh. Look, you turn this. It's very dry.
Did you change the lid?
Not yet. I'm working on it. Thank you. Look, yucky lint. Yucky. All done. All done. You want to feel it? Whoa. Yeah, go ahead.
And keep this change down. There. Good job. Watch your fingers. That's locked.
Okay, I don't have any more laundry, Thomas. That was it for us. Oh. I'm not going to have them touch this because it's dirty. Can you throw my blanket in there? Yeah.
Thank you.
Well, I'm just doing this because
That blanket's
I'm
too
done.
big to go in with mine.
Okay.
That one has to go in separate. Yay!
Whoa. Smelly. I don't know if that can be washed.
Oh. What?
He said, stop. What are you doing?
What's Mommy doing? Is he doing laundry? Don't put those white ones in there with all that red. They'll turn pink. They're gonna turn pink.
It's baby clothes.
They're gonna turn pink. Put them in with the white clothes. What you doing? What you doing?
Ew.
Yeah, did we do laundry?
That's where all the towels went.
You're filling it too full. You can't fill it above that line.
It's not even.
Don't pack it down. You're gonna break the spinners, the belts in that drum. See? Look.
Yes, I see.
You're gonna put too many, that's too full.
Is it really?
Yes. And then that's why the clothes don't dry. You can't pack it.
It's fine.
It's fine because you didn't buy it.
It's not gonna get broken.
It wears the belt out on the drum.
What do you want me to do?
Well, you already put soap in it. Don't pack it that full next time, please.
You're recording this?
Yes. You need to be taught how to use the washer.
I know how to use the washer. Drink water. Have soap on
It tells you exactly how to load it in the lid, you know.
my. Okay. I know. Now I'll just use the water.
I want Thomas touches the lid.
Ready?
Huh?
What is it?
It's working. It's
Do
working.
you hear it?
Thomas, it's working.
Do you hear it? Feel it. What's that?
The water is running.
What is that? What is that? Pull my shirt down. What is that? What is that? Can you stand on it? What is that? What is that?
Thomas is doing the laundry. Good boy. Good boy, Thomas. Thomas, paka paka. Paka paka.
That's my shirt.
Пока-пока, Thomas. Пока-пока. Пока-пока.
Okay, let's go get dressed.
You go get dressed? Okay.
Oh,